let's move to the second thing. And when we talk about the physical traits, of course you have to provide personal traits. Most of platforms lets you place the two in the description field, which is fine. Don't get me wrong, but usually it isn't the right approach. In this SillyTavern, if you decided to, let's say, to move to this book here, which refers to advanced definitions, you will find personality summary, which is a field dedicated for personality traits. So you should place the personality traits in this specific field. But if you didn't find, it's fine to add to it the description, because it's something permanent, just like the appearance. The personality will never change, but it may gets improved, may get grow. Now some advice about personality summary. It is the same as before. Follow the first principle. Don't repeat yourself. Even personality traits, if there are two traits that refers to the same behavior, it isn't necessary to add both, but you can add them to strengthen this personality trait in different way and make it better. So a good example for this is about shy. When you talk about these two personality traits, usually they are the same, very near to each other. They aren't that different between each other. Shy and timid, which means these two personality traits, which are nearly the same, are dominating their personality. And the same for any personality traits that are near to each other. You can also say playful and energetic. These two are nearly the same, not the same, like exactly the same, but they are referring to, and it will define what type of playfulness will be. So you can say a specific girl is playful, which means she like to play, but she is not energetic, which means she is quiet but playful. You can find some people like this. But if you added it energetic, it means she is playful in energetic way. Think between these and try to describe the other. The second thing you should know that you shouldn't make things contrary to each other. You shouldn't say shy and in the same time outgoing. Of course, this is wrong, because these are contrary. The shy type can be an outgoing person. Shy means they shy away from people, so they can't be outgoing at the same time. So this will reduce some confusion to the AI. So don't make this go like this. Now let's move to something very important that you should provide. Shy may be a positive trait or a negative trait, and of course, if it is positive, it will be something good, while if it is negative, it will be something bad. One important thing you should follow is you should mention personality traits, either they are positive or negative, to tell the AI or to help the AI distinguish between the good personality traits and the bad personality traits. The same goes for outgoing. So outgoing is something good because something can talk with others, help others, etc., etc. But if it's a negative trait, it means it will be in a bad way. And you want the shy to be a positive trait, so you should at least put positive, then add the shy. While to add negative and add the is introverted. It means she is shy in a good way, which means they are polite, you can say. They can deal with people, but in a good way. And they are introverted, which means they don't like to deal with people. You should define which one is positive and which one is negative, because the same trait can go either way, either positive or negative.